Happy 4th of July, everyone. It's Trevina with TMB Designs. And I wanted to bring you guys a quick 4th of July tablescape and wish you all a wonderful, wonderful holiday weekend or holiday week. It's midweek, but I wanted to just jump on and give you guys some 4th of July inspiration, let you know what's going on at the TMB family for the holidays. So I'm giving you like a nice little overview of everything that the tablescape is, and then I will go into the details of my no cost, you heard me, no cost DIY tablescape. I absolutely love this tablescape. It's fun, it's festive, it's definitely appropriate for the occasion in the patriotic colors of red, white, and blue. And I wanted to just do something different out of my norm. I typically don't do 4th of July tablescapes, but I had a request to do one and I thought, why not? So I always like to give you guys what my inspiration piece was for this particular, or for any tablescape. And for this tablescape, can you guess what my inspiration was? It was this flag, you guys. This flag is not just any flag. This flag is historic to me. Let me give you the story behind the flag. See if I can, well, you can't see. The flag is actually autographed. I don't know if you all are familiar with the story of the Little Rock Nine, and I'm from Arkansas, of course, so this has a lot of personal meanings to me. This particular flag I received during the first Obama administration. It was during their the inauguration, or actually it was during the race. We were doing a watch party for the first installation of President Obama, and some of the members of the Little Rock Nine were in attendance. And so, of course, when it was announced that he won, we were all ecstatic. And one of the women, Mrs. Billie Jean, she signed that flag for me, and so it has been a keepsake in my home, in my inventory for quite some time. And so I've had it just stored away. And I was going through some things, and I saw it, and this would be a great jump-off point for my 4th of July tablescape. So that's what began this entire look. So from there, I began to shop my home for items that could complement this look. Okay, so being that I started with the flag, my inspiration, I'm going to tell you guys how I achieved the centerpiece. The centerpiece is, you've seen these before, in a Valentine tablescape that I did a couple of years ago. So I just pull those back out. I keep them stored nicely in boxes so that they're not smashed or anything like that. So that way I can use them time after time. So I just pulled them out, placed the larger one on a bowl that I picked up from the Dollar Tree several years ago. And you guys, my table runner, that is the best, or one of the best DIYs of this whole tablescape. Those are actually some chair sashes that I pulled out of my event planning inventory. I just pulled out a red one, a white one, and a blue one, layered them up together, and created this nice patriotic table runner. So that was the foundation for that, and everything else was built around it. So I was determined to do a no-cost tablescape, and that is exactly what I accomplished, especially with the runner. So after I styled the runner, I just began to shop around, seeing what I had. So you guys saw the blue plates from the Father's Day tablescape, and the water goblets. The red wine glasses, I hauled them for you guys. I picked those up from TJ Maxx. And now let me tell you guys about this actual placemat. Look, it's a Christmas placemat, but I got them probably about 4 years ago, for Christmas, of course. But when I looked on the back, I noticed that it was two-sided, so I knew that I could get different uses out of it. I always use that signature green. Red, I knew I could use for Valentine's Day. 4th of July if I ever decide to do one, and hence I'm doing one. So it worked out perfect. I just flipped it over and it gave me my red placemat. And then you guys have seen those white dishes. They're from the 10 strawberry collection out of Walmart. Then those are my DIY white napkins out of some out of a twin sheet. And then this cute, look at that. I'm going to go in so you guys can really see that. Yes, it's a DIY. My camera is not wanting to cooperate, you guys, but this is a cute, let me see if I can pull it up because I want you guys to see this. Super cute napkin ring. I made these. I had just some beading that I got on clearance a couple of seasons ago. And I simply just cut them down to size and wrap them around my Dollar Tree, the little silver napkin rings. I keep tons of them on hand because I make napkin rings all the time to fit whatever theme I'm doing. So I whipped up some quick ones and they turned out so cute. Absolutely love them. So with that, I came down and for my end tables, my end chairs, did a little something different just to break up the monotony of it all. And I just placed 2 red plate chargers, and I turned the plates on I turned the bigger one and a diamond shape. The big one I gave a diamond shape, and then this one I just turned it opposite to give it this nice little dimension. I like the look of that. Again, with the same water goblets and champagne glasses. And there you have it, you guys. My 4th of July tablescape. So cute, so fun. I really want you guys to see these napkin rings, but my camera is not. Adorable. Love them. Love them, love them, love them. So here it is in a nutshell. I pray you all have a blessed holiday season with family and loved ones. And if you have not already, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to interact with you here on the TMB or with the TMB family. Hit the notification button so that you know when videos are being uploaded. I try to upload a video at least once a week. And until the next video, you guys have a blessed, beautiful 4th of July season. And also interact with me on TMB Designs 2 on IG, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook. Love you much. Have a blessed and beautiful day.